Darlene Wright, known by her stage name, Darlene Love, is an American popular music singer and actress. She is ranked number 84 among Rolling Stone's 100 Greatest Singers. In 2011 she was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. As a minister's daughter, she grew up listening to gospel music and was a dedicated member of her church. She began singing in her church choir at age 10. During choir practice she caught the attention of choir director Cora Martin Moore. After singing for Martin Moore she was asked to go to the Music Mart where she sang and did some broadcasts. Love's career began there. As it was her first musical experience, it was also the main influence for her to pursue a music career. Those who knew her described her vocals as a voice of a nightingale. She claimed, "The choir was a big influence on my life. I call it my learning ground. Singing in the choir, I learned harmony." As an actress, she is perhaps best remembered for playing Roger Murtaugh's wife in the Lethal Weapon film series. Love was born Darlene Wright in Los Angeles, California to Ellen Maddox and Reverend Joe Wright. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.